Hello guys, welcome back into a new video. In this video I am going to tell you how you can get iPhone 13 in just 2000 rupees from Flipkart. I will show you with proper proof. So if you are new in my channel, then please subscribe, like and share this video to all your friends. So recently if you open Facebook, you will get to see this kind of links, and when you will click on it, you will be redirected to this website where you will see the whole interface of Flipkart Lite is available, and you will also see iPhone 13 in just 2000 rupees. At first I thought there is some offer going on, but the moment I proceed to do the payment, I saw that the cash on delivery option is not available. But if it is original Flipkart, it should be available. But after that I click on the online payment method. So after clicking on it, it was clear that it is a fake website. As you can see, its payment interface. After that I saw this, that the spelling of Flipkart in this link is itself wrong. So it was clear that it is a fake link, so please don't make any online payment through this website as you will never get your order. It is a third party and fake website which is illegally using the interface of Flipkart. Hope this video was helpful. Please be alert and safe. Please subscribe to OverPower for more informative videos. Thank you.